If your AC is not coming on, one of the easy things it could be is the float switch. This will make it so that nothing comes on, the outside unit, the inside unit, nothing. Although the thermostat will still show a reading, although mine's off, but you can set it to cool and it'll still look like everything's fine, but then your unit won't kick on. And it could just be this little float switch. If you open this guy up, lock and unlock, there's water in here. And that's your problem. There shouldn't be water in here. What it ends up doing is floating this up and turning it off. What you need to do is get the water out of here. And that brings up the question, how do you get the water out of here? Why is it backing up like that? And that's because your drain line is clogged. And if your drain line's clogged, the question then becomes, how do you unclog the drain line? And that is super easy to do. All you do is take a wet dry vac and then run the hose to wherever the line is coming out of your house. The end of that line is just a piece of PVC pipe that has the condensation runoff from it. All you have to do is stick your hose for your wet dry vac in there like this, and then hold your hand over it to give it suction, and then just let it suction it out. I just wanted to get your AC system back working. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.